What's up everyone? Get ready for some major Black Friday hype, because Drake's NOCTA and Nike are dropping something huge. They're releasing a mystery box, and the community is buzzing. This isn't just any regular drop, it's a gamble, a surprise, and a potential goldmine all packed into one sleek black box. So, here's the deal. For just $50, you get a box with a guaranteed retail value of at least $50. But that's where the fun begins. Every box has a chance at a random upgrade, and we're talking about some serious heat. NOCTA has teased a massive range of possible items, and the potential is insane. Imagine unboxing a puffer jacket, one of their iconic tech hoodies, or maybe some fresh cargo pants. But it doesn't stop at apparel. You could find accessories like duffel bags, ski-style vests, or even exclusive skate decks and sunglasses. And of course, we have to talk about the sneakers. The Hot Step 2, or the legendary NOCTA Air Force 1, Love You Forever, could be waiting inside. The real excitement comes from the tiered system. Most people will probably get a standard Tier 4 box with solid everyday essentials. But if luck is on your side, you could land at Tier 3, 2, or even a coveted Tier 1 box. These higher tiers could contain rare, waitlist-worthy gear, or even one-of-one exclusives that you won't find anywhere else. Think about it. You could score something truly unique from NOCTA's history. This whole concept plays perfectly into the NOCTA brand, which sits at that cool intersection of music, high-end streetwear, and functional design. It's the thrill of the unknown that makes this drop so compelling. Will you get a collection of staples, or a jaw-dropping grail piece? We won't know for sure until the boxes start arriving and the unboxings begin. The packaging itself looks incredibly sleek. Black box with that bold NOCTA branding, sealed and ready to be opened. Inside, there's also a mention of store credit options, and get this, every box gives you another shot at a random upgrade on future NOCTA releases. So, even if your first box isn't a massive win, you're still in the game for the next one. The teasers have shown glimpses of outerwear, bags, sneakers, and accessories, but the full scope is still a mystery. Once these boxes land, the real fun begins as we see what everyone gets. Are you planning on copying one? Let me know in the comments what you're hoping to find inside. This is one of the most exciting drops of the year, and I can't wait to see what comes out of it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest drops.